Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good evening. Having another poem. Definitely, people will think, or the students will think, the teacher is after the poetry. But I got after the teaching of 23 and a half years that my strong area was poetry. I always loved reading poetry, and out of that thing I got the idea that I must share what I had been reading and explaining to the children of first year level. And these are not only for the students of first year level, anybody who could listen poetry and its explanation and the background of the poet, that will love the poetry. So today I am going to explain the poem of Sachal Sarmast. The name of the poem is He Came to Know Himself. It is poem number 15. One more thing I would like to tell you, especially the students who would like to watch the videos. What I had seen throughout my teaching career, that children most of the time see the subject English, especially the science students, they don't bother the subject much, but even they had to, because through this subject they score maximum marks in the paper. So they must be vigilant for it, and the others to see carefully the things of this subject. But most of the time they take the subject very lightly. Not only they take the subject very lightly, the others as well, whereas it is as a serious subject as a science subjects. So I'm not defending it, I'm not saying that one has to be very much interested in it, but those who are having interest in it, they love it and they read it out of passion. So इस थोड़ी सी एक्सप्लेनेशन या स्पीच का मकसद ये है कि इस मज़मून को एक तो हम मज़मून समझें, जो हम सेकंड लैंग्वेज पढ़ने और पढ़ाने वाले लोग हैं, इसको हम वक़्त दें, क्योंकि इसी से ह्यूमन जो बिहेवियर है या साइंसेस है, ह्यूमन साइंस जो है, साइकोलॉजी हो गया, ये सब्जेक्ट है, उर्दू है, ये सारे सब्जेक्ट्स जो हैं ये ही इंसानी नफ्सियात को मुरतब कर रहे होते हैं और माशरे में ये बेहतरी लाने का सबब बनते हैं। पोइट्स, राइटर्स और जो भी अच्छे नोशंस रखते हैं, फ़िलासफ़िकल नोशंस रखते हैं, तो हमें उन सब लोगों को देखना चाहिए। अच्छा जी, देखते हैं सचल सरमस्त कौन थे। सचल सरमस्त ओरिजिनल नेम वाज ख्वाजा अब्दुल वहाब. He was born into a family of mystics of Khairpur, Dargah Khairpur in Sindh. He was reputed upholding the truth such and being intoxicated that is forgetful of worldly considerations Sarmast. So he was known as Sachal Sarmast. थोड़ा सा मैं बताऊंगी सचल सच बोलने वाला, सरमस्त वो सर जिसमें सच बोलने की या हकीकत बयान करने की मस्ती समाई हो, तो दैट्स वाई हिज नेम वाज Sachal Sarmast. His father was died in his very childhood and he was abroad by his uncle. He wrote in Sindhi, Saraiki, Persian, Punjabi and Urdu. He was a great poet of his time, not only his time but all times. He was a poet who had the idea that God is in everything. He believed in the doctrine of हमाओस, यानी हर चीज़ में खुदा का रंग झलकता है, हर चीज़ में खुदा नज़र आता है. All is he respected greatly Mansur al-Hillaj, who became the mystic one, and later he was murdered, or you can say was brought on the stake by the narrow-minded religious people. The real prayer of Sachal's verses lies in their musical quality. Where there is a crowd of men, be there myself you will not see. वो कहता है जहाँ आप लोगों का हजूम देखोगे उनमें मुझे नहीं पाओगे. ग्रेटनेस के मजमे से नहीं था वो शख्स, वो मजमे से अलहदा था, वो यकता था, वो